Hello everyone. If you're a beginner in Betfair tennis trading, I'd suggest you go for matches where there's a distinct favourite, like in this match, where the favourite player, Marin Cilic, has odds of 1.18 and the underdog is trading at just 5.9. That's a huge difference, and only if the underdog doesn't start unexpectedly leading the match, you won't be able to make very big profits. However, for beginners, such odds are very advantageous, as you can't incur big losses either. So you can just basically get the feel of the Betfair tennis trading by backing or laying the favourite at very small odds, depending on what is the situation on the court. For example, in this match, Clement starts serving and he barely wins the first game, despite having 3 opportunities to score the game point. It clearly shows us that the odds difference between the players corresponds to their real capability on the court, and I can predict with a high probability that Cilic is going to win the next game. And that is exactly what happens. Clement scores just 1 point in the next game, and Cilic scores an easy game point, evening the score to 1-1. This is a no-brainer. And if you're following a similar match, I can tell you what to do. Back the favourite and see if he scores a break point. Just before placing the bet, make sure the favourite player has scored at least a point in the game where he receives the serves. It's going to show you whether he's indeed able to break the game or not. So as you can see, I'm backing Cilic at the odds of 1.16 at the moment, when he evens the score in the game to 15 all. I really have nothing to lose because, as you could see in the first game, even when the underdog scored at the game point, the favourite's odds were not impacted at all. The favourite player breaks in this game indeed, and I can easily lay him at 1.08, which gives me a tiny €8 profit. You may think that just a couple of quid isn't worth going for, but I'll tell you this, money is money, and even a few sure quid is better than nothing. And especially if you're a beginner in tennis trading, such matches are great for testing the waters and strengthening your trading and stress management skills. I'll show you another trade. It's nearly identical, executed in a match between Zovko and Hanescu in the same tennis tournament in Zagreb. I'm backing the favourite at 1.15, and after scoring all the points in a row, his odds shorten to 1.08, and I'm making another few quid profit. Nothing big and nothing too risky either.